If I see one more video on my feed of someone saying, use these 10 hooks to go viral, I will literally go insane because they are the most generic hooks I've ever seen in my entire life. And we both know you can do better. Number one, if you want to learn how to do some good hooks, definitely hit me up at 646-249-3561 and I can help you out as well. But here are some hooks that I love. First one would be using a question. Ask a question. So like, why do dogs bark? Something like that attracts. Just, it has to be anything that attracts. And then second would be use numbers. It's human nature, psychology. Humans love numbers. So they see numbers. So like, say, this is why 99% of entrepreneurs fail within the first 5 months or 6 months, whatever. That's a great one. One I really like that I think is a really good one to use is these tips like must be illegal because they work so well, or like stuff like that. Just something that is seriously catching attention. Like you need to grab that attention within the first 5 seconds. Those generic hooks that people are giving you all over TikTok, those are not working. Don't use those. No. Don't use those. And text me at the number, and I'll repeat it again. Text me at the number and I will help you out with those hooks as well, because seriously, I'm so passionate about this and I want you to succeed on social media. And this is the way you're going to do it. So, contact me at 646-249-3561 and then I will help you get some great hooks today.